Hey traders, in this video we're gonna sip some wine and play a favorite game of mine, Bang, Buy, Bust. First, let's start with the bang. We'll get it over with quick. Twitter, TWTR. The bird is sold off about 3 days now. Cathie Wood keeps buying it. By the way, maybe she lost her touch. And Elliott Management came in and said, hey, I believe they bought $200 million worth of Twitter stock. I believe that was the headline news this afternoon. Stock has pulled back to, I believe, the 200-day moving average. I don't have my computer in front of me, but I recall when I was looking at it today, because I bought some short-dated options on it, it was pulling back, and I sold some bull put credit spreads, actually. It pulled back after a 3-day sell-off, massive hit on earnings. Stock was down about 12% and continues to get drilled down. I like it for a quick bang. What do I mean by bang? I think it bounces. Nothing too crazy, but maybe a bounce to 58, 59, maybe 60 a share, and then it cools off. Usually after about 3 days of selling, stocks tend to have a dead cat bounce. Hopefully the cat's somewhere in the back didn't hear me. The next stock that I want to bang, buy, and bust. We're gonna do the bust over here, and that is going to be Dogecoin or Dogecoin or Dogecoin. It's actually not a stock; it's a crypto. And the reason why I say this stock is going to be a bust is it pulled back from about 40 to 30 cents. With Elon Musk going on Saturday Night Live, and that's been all over the news. And the stock actually, or the crypto actually, just crossed over 40. I believe it hit 45 cents in anticipation of Elon Musk mentioning Dogecoin on SNL. Also, too, 𝗧𝗶𝗺, the broker platform, is allowing buying in Dogecoin because I keep getting the pop-ups for it. So there you go. And the last of bang, buy, and bust is going to be actually a buy. I want to buy something. Well, we hear inflation. So what do I want to buy to combat inflation? And that is silver. Specifically the SLV, which is the iShares Silver ETF. Now, kind of boring, right? Silver, oh wow, silver doesn't move. I get it. But you have to figure this. We've printed so much money in circulation. Inflation is going crazy. Just look at commodity prices. Lumber, like this deck I built, is probably, who knows? Like, I'll give you an example. It was cheaper, I built the deck, it was cheaper to buy this piece from Sam's Club than it was to build it. Literally, to build it. That's cedar right there. So that gives you an idea of how crazy inflation is. So I like silver and gold here. If you want to look at other silver stocks, you can look at Wheaton Precious Metals, Pan American Silver, First Majestic Silver, MAG was trading today, or just stick to the SLV so you don't have to pick one. You don't have to deal with earnings. It goes through the silver spot price. You're going to have a little bit of rolling every now and then, but silver and gold I like right here a lot. So those are the three: bang, buy, bust. I want to bust Dogecoin, I want to bang Twitter, and I want to buy silver. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and how can you not with this beautiful shirt and a sunny day here in Florida?